Okay, so now I have gone through the process of saving my list. All right, I'm gonna look up here. I've got, under file, I can start a new project. I can open one from Drive. I could start a new file. I could import or I could export. Okay, I could also start the slideshow. I could say, show me the grid lines. What this is doing is this is showing my latitude and longitude. Okay, these are my decimal degrees on any given place. So, okay, I could look at my layers. Okay, I could say clean borders. I don't want to see any labels, no places, no names, only the names that are in here for me. Okay, I could also say I want to see everything. Okay, or just exploration or custom. For right now, I'm just going to do clean. So what do I want to see? Time lapse. So what does this mean? If I click on time lapse, okay, and I just let this go, okay, it'll show me the change in a particular place. So if I were to zoom in, say down here in New Orleans, what would this change be over time? You can do this with anywhere in the world. You could slow this down a little bit if you wanted to. This can be used to show things like deforestation as well. Come here. You can also show patterns of human settlement into new places over time. So some really cool, cool features that you can do and create with this here. Okay. So that's what's available to me there. I could do 3D coverage, where if I were to zoom in here, maybe that's not the best place to do it. Let me go to a place, yeah. So if I were to zoom in down here to Miami, get slightly different view. Okay. I could turn on photos as a layer, and then I could see everywhere that people have taken photos right in this location. Okay, jump me through. Right. Okay. So this is one of those things where if you ever get, photograph taken of you, so someone took a picture on the cruise ship, out in the middle of the ocean and tagged this GPS, well, they are forever, these folks are forever on the oasis of the seas. So you can actually see where cruise ships go to that way. So it's another thing you can play around with here in the layers feature. Okay, animated clouds. So what does animated cloud? And I'm going to turn off some of these other layers for simplicity. Okay. Photo. those. My grid lines. Okay, so with clouds, without clouds, with clouds. All right. So if you ever see on the news, things, or in your movies, these screenshots of change, these are all things that you can create here in Google Earth.